Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Builder Gel for extensions. First, ensure your nails are clean, filed, and cuticles are pushed back. Apply a dehydrator and primer for optimal adhesion. Next, brush on a thin, even layer of base coat, curing it under a UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. Then, using a gel brush, pick up a small, controlled bead of Builder Gel. This initial step is crucial for a strong, lasting extension. Once the Builder Gel is on the nail, gently float and guide it with your brush to sculpt the desired extension length and shape. Focus on creating a smooth, even surface and a strong apex for durability. After achieving your desired form, cure the gel under a UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. This step hardens the gel, forming the foundation of your extension. After curing, wipe away the sticky inhibition layer using a gel cleanser. Now, it's time to refine your extensions. Use a nail file to shape the free edge and sidewalls, ensuring a smooth, natural look. Buff the surface gently for an even finish. Finally, apply a no-wipe top coat and cure it for 60 seconds under your lamp, sealing in your beautiful new extensions with a high-shine finish. To keep your Builder Gel extensions looking their best, moisturize your cuticles daily with a nourishing oil. This helps maintain flexibility and prevents lifting. Remember to treat your nails gently. Avoid using them as tools to prevent chips or breaks. For more beauty tips and product recommendations, check the description below for links and other deals. And for those who love to read, you'll find a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite there too. Perfect for enjoying your favorite books anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.